In today's video, I'm reviewing the Ninja Pro Connect Thermometer. Ninja say it's designed for fast temperature readings in the kitchen, and it comes with an app syncing cooking presets and a few smart features that try to make cooking more predictable. Let's unbox it. In the box you get the stainless steel thermometer, a holder for the thermometer to sit in, you get a manual, and on the back of the manual you get a QR code, Pro Connect app. The actual thermometer has a brushed metal finish. The probe itself feels sturdy and it feels premium as well. The holder is nicely designed, and with a bit of pressure the thermometer clicks right in. It doesn't move around. A nice little touch with the holder, it is magnetic. When you're not using the thermometer you can stick it to the fridge. The holder is also the charger for the thermometer. It's powered with a single AA battery. On the top of the holder is a button that you press, and it has an LED that indicates the charge level of the battery. If the LED turns green you have more than 20% of battery charge, and if it turns red you have less than 25%. When using the thermometer, the holder has to stay within 3 meters. This picks up the signal from the probe and then transmits the signal to the app on your phone. I am actually going to test the thermometer and how accurate it is. I'll be cooking a beef joint and we like our beef medium, so I'm going to prepare the meat. On the thermometer there is a line just over halfway up. This is where you're supposed to insert the probe up to. Now everything's prepared and the thermometer is in place. Before I put the meat into the oven, I'm going to open up the app. Once opened, there are a few options. For instance, the kind of meat you're cooking, your options at the top of the app that you can press. Once that's selected, you can either adjust the temperature that you desire or adjust the doneness of the meat. Once you select the doneness, the app calculates the temperature needed to be reached that it takes to get the meat to where you want it. Once all that's done, click the button at the bottom that says start monitoring and it will connect to the thermometer. Once the meat's in, it takes the app around 10 minutes to calculate the estimated time for the meat to be ready. But first you can see the ambient temperature starting to rise. Once it's done, I'll come back and see how it went on. As you can see now, the app is saying that the meat is ready. It also warns you not to touch the thermometer. I pull the thermometer out with a tea towel and then it's ready to just chuck in a sink or the dishwasher to be washed. Also, when it was done, the app did recommend that I take the meat out just before it reached temperature and rest it, and while resting it continues to cook. Now I'm going to cut open the meat and see how accurate the thermometer was. Remember, we wanted a medium finish. Once cutting the meat open, you can see that that is definitely a medium, so the thermometer was pretty much spot on. The thermometer can be used on a barbecue as well. It's flame resistant, so it can take the temperatures and it won't get damaged by the flames. Pros: the readings are quite accurate. The app is quite good as well. You don't need to stay near the oven. As long as the holder stays near the oven, the app seemed to be accurate, and I walked around the house and seemed to get a signal everywhere. It can be used indoors and outdoors. It is flame resistant. It's also dishwasher proof. The holder is quite useful and is magnetic, so it can be stored. And overall build quality feels really good. The cons: it's expensive. It's £89. It's not rechargeable. It uses a battery. It has to be used with the app. Other than that, there's not many downsides to the thermometer. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.